Oh my god. Look at the weather. It's 9 it's 9 a.m. in the morning and I'm going for the laundry, and look at the weather because I wake up early for the laundry, and look at the weather. Oh my god, it's too much snow everywhere. वो सामने लॉन्ड्री इतनी दूर जूम किया हुआ है इसलिए करीब नज़र आएगी, लेकिन बहुत दूर है। और वेदर चेक करें, स्नो और साथ में तेज़ हवा। ओह उफ 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 उफ। Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. हर जगह सफ़ेदी आई हुई है। आज मैं आपको यहाँ पे लॉन्ड्री और उसको बुक करना कैसे करते हैं वो दिखाऊंगी। वैसे तो ऑनलाइन बुक कर लेती हूँ घर बैठे, लेकिन आज मेरी दुर्घट बनने वाली है स्नो में, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन सिस्टम इनका ख़राब हुआ है तो खुद आना पड़ता है। ओह माय गॉड। ओह, ये यहाँ का टैग, ये टैग है, ये हम यहाँ पे लगाएंगे और ये ऑटोमेटिकली जो डोर है वो ओपन हो जाएगा। देन वी विल गो इनसाइड। ये टैग हमने यहाँ पे लगाया। वी विल book laundry. Now we will see the time, if the laundry is available in any of the room like this, like from 9:30 to 12 a room is available. Okay. From okay, we will start again and see another room if something available. I need 2 times at a time because my laundry is too much. 12:30 to 3. Okay. No. Another room. Ten 10:30 to 1. 10:30 to 1. Yes, this is the perfect time. I can book this. On course booking means you want to book yes, nay, no. I want to book yes. Okay, it's booked. Okay, I book again for the second time. It's 12 vacancy and then okay. Book Utford like books. It's booked. Now I have to check. Yes, this is my time from 3rd February. Free dog means Friday. G and H from 10:30 to 1. Okay, now I'm going back and took my stuff and then I'll come again. Oh my god. Okay, now I have to press this one and it's automatically open. And look at the weather. Look at the weather. It's too much snowy outside. It's too much cold outside. It's like minus temperature here and it's too much snowy. Look how far I am from the home. Like, this is the laundry room. It's very big. It has like so many rooms from A to J or I, and it has a washroom inside as well. And this is the laundry room, and like I go there. Very last building, I went there. Oh, so that's it. This is my today's routine. I wake up early in the morning, like everybody is sleeping right now at my home, but I have to do so many tasks right now, like laundry, like cooking, breakfast, cleaning, everything. So that's why अपनी नींद की कुर्बानी देनी पड़ी, जल्दी उठना पड़ा. इतनी तेज हवा चल रही है स्नो के साथ.